In this video, you'll learn how to protect your Google Sheet by limiting editing access to specific users. To begin, select the spreadsheet you want to protect so you can adjust its access settings. Next, open the Sheet options by clicking the drop-down arrow. Then select the Protect Sheet option to start configuring protection. Now, enter a name for your protected range and specify which sheet or range you'd like to secure. Select the sheet you want to protect, making sure only the intended area is restricted. Adjust editing permissions by switching the option to warn users when they attempt to make changes. Set editing access, so only you can make edits, preventing others from changing the content without your authorization. If necessary, add specific editors by entering their email addresses into the editor field and typing in the names or emails of people you wish to grant access to. Select the appropriate email address from the dropdown to ensure the correct person receives editing permission. Finally, click the Done button to save your sheet's updated protection settings. You've now secured your Google Sheet with customized password protection.